Welcome to SAR Studio. This is an unboxing and assembly of the Bambu Lab's A1 combo. The A1 and the AMS light is very well packaged. There is lots of foam padding, clips to secure the moving parts, and plastic to help you remove it out of the box. It includes lots of items for the AMS and the A1. I've taken out all the equipment and placed it on the table. We have the main housing unit and the printer frame. We want to take the main housing unit and insert into the printer frame and tilt it on a 45-degree angle. Then drop it down so it locks in the printer frame. We then pull the bed forward and spin the printer around. We then remove the Y-axis cover. This will expose the base, which we need to install and secure screws. There are 10 screws which we need to screw in. They are circled in green. Once all 10 are done, move the bed back. Then there are another 2 more screws to tighten, which are also circled in green. Once all screws are in and tightened, you can place the Y-axis cover back on. Now we want to lay the printer frame on the edge of the table. Make sure to secure and support the printer so it doesn't tip forward. When we are in the position, this is where we connect additional wires which connects the printer frame to the base housing. We need to connect the USB-C cable, camera wire, X motor and Z motor. We can now lay the printer back upright on the table. Let's fold out the touchscreen. Now to connect the purge wiper by sliding it into the slot at the end of the X-axis. Once on, we can secure it with a screw. Let's turn on the printer. Located in the rear left corner is the power switch. Now the setup screen has appeared. Let's start configuring. Choose our language English, select our region Asia Pacific, connect to our Wi-Fi. Let the calibration begin. This will take some time, so I have sped up the video. Now all 3 calibrations are completed. We can print something. I have selected the clip, which was already on the SD card. It's done. Let's take it off the build plate. To remove the print, we will need to flex the build plate so the print can come off. This looks really good and only took 35 minutes to print. The printer has been moved to its new home. I would like to thank you for watching my first video. Please like and subscribe.